Okay, so the mirror has been picked up on the last 2 MOTs as an advisory, and that's because it's cracked. Doesn't impact the use of the mirror. There's a crack around the centre of the mirror here, but you kind of think, come on, Mr. MOT testing man, I can still see out the mirror. But, you know, I thought Coastal Motorhomes, which is an amazing company, well, I say amazing, hold that thought, super fast service. They had one of these in stock, and a measly £68, which, you know, I've got nothing else to spend my money on, but I thought, let's get it done. I'm kind of aiming towards getting little jobs done on Millie, like the horn doesn't work before the MOT, so I'm not panicking coming the MOT next year. So 5-minute job, 3 bolts. How long can it take, eh? Yeah, watch the space. Great company, Coastal Motorhomes. If you've not used them before, check them out. They're not sponsoring this video, of course, but this is the... How much packaging is that? Mind you, it is a mirror. Oh, it's packaging for a box. So lots of packaging to package to protect a box. This is like a box within a box, isn't it? So what's inside the box? That's inside the box with packaging. More packaging. Well, at least this is not going to get broke. Hey! I'll get it out. Here's the mirror. And hopefully, he says, it's just, I think, 3 bolts. Oh, so after all that packaging and coverage, it's broke. Who would have believed with all that packaging and the mirror's totally untouched, yet the metal part of it is snapped? So email Coastal Homes, let's see what they say. I mean, it doesn't impact the mirror, but it does look a bit, I don't know, looks a bit naff, doesn't it? But I need to fit it anyway. But I'll be informed Coastal Motorhomes. So 5-minute job. How long do you think it's going to take? Most 5-minute jobs do take 5 minutes. It just takes longer to bloody video it. Who spends most of their time sorting out their socket set? Well, let's see. Besides, I want... No. I am rubbish at this. I'm sure people out there can just look at one and go, oh yeah, that's it. Oh no, it's going to be a 10 and I've lost a 10. Oh. Everything is 10 mil. Yeah, 10 mil is the first one you lose, isn't it? So this set doesn't have a 10 mil because I lost it pretty much the day I bought it. If you own a socket company, can you send me like hundreds of 10 mil sockets, please? Anyway, I now need to find a 10 mil socket. Found a 10 mil socket set. It's too small. I found some other ones. Oh, that fits. I think this might be better. Oh. Now this is going to be like the sketch on Only Fools and Horses when they're doing the chandelier. So I had the cutting plan of doing this while I'm standing here so I can catch the mirror. Unfortunately, I can't get the bolts with the door closed. I could wait until Jess comes. Or shall I just crack on? Times like this, I wish there was two of me, or I had longer arms. I can't see. Just managed to get it in. I get one of these on. Beaten. I need two people. So I wait until Jess comes, who's clearly skiving work. Because whenever I'm doing anything on Millie, you notice she's never here. Never here. So I'll have to wait until she's here. I don't want to risk breaking the mirror because I'm impatient. So credit where it's due. Coastal Motorhomes. So I ordered this mirror yesterday. Got delivered today. Noticed there was a damaged crack on the end, and to be honest, it doesn't actually impact the use of the mirror. It's just this corner off here, but it will, I think, may let water ingress. I'm not sure. So anyway, I emailed them. Basically just let them know. Most companies would just say, oh well, you pay for postage, bring it back, all that kind of stuff. Coastal Motorhomes immediately replied saying they'd offer me a 50% discount, which I think is awesome, or they'll swap it out for me. So having now thought about it, I'm going to swap it out, which means this job's not going to get done this weekend, which means I need to put the old one back on. So much for a 5-minute job. But, you know, I can't beat that as a service. So, you know, I'll put the link down. Coastal Motorhomes never let me down. They seem to stock pretty much everything I'm looking for. So the old one goes back on. Hopefully Jess will be here to give me a hand. And then we'll get a new one. And then I'll fit it, hopefully. Now I've found the right socket size thing. In a minute. Jess is here. Say hello. Oh, she's got no makeup on and she's got no swimming. Alright. Alright, I'm apologising now for Jess looking a bit rough. See, I've said it. I've apologised, so you don't need to worry about it now. What were you saying about me? Why are you doing it that way?
I said, why did you not? When you said to me, hold it in the hole.
Yes.
But I've got to open the door. Why didn't you open the door and then let me put it in the hole?
Because you might miss the holes.
Why?
I just wanted to make sure you knew exactly where it was going.
Because it wasn't a moron.
No comment. No comment on video. No comment on video. Just hold it so I can put these bolts back on.
Sorry?
Awkward 3-minute job because I've got to get the bolts in here and not drop it down the side of the car. I don't even know if that's in. Does it feel like it's in?
I don't know, I can't tell. I've still had that problem. Not quite sure.
I'm recording this, you know. Disgusting double on. I might actually stick music over that. Sorry? And I'll just need to give it a little nip on each one. Ooh, misses. I mean, it wasn't expensive. I mean, I know I'm doing that. I need to fix the horn, otherwise it's going to fit its MOT. So, as Jess pointed out, I do like to fiddle. That wasn't the word she used, by the way, but I'm editing all the swear words out.
That's not a swear word.
What? Fanny?
You do, you faff and fanny.
Right, comments below. Is faffing and fanny a swear word? I think it is.
Used in the concept of Darren likes to fanny about, i.e. waste time doing things that are inconsequential and unimportant.
All right, so I focused on the advisory on the MOT instead of doing the fail, which is going to be the horn.
What are you doing?
I know.
That's what that means. Advise.
Well, they advised that it needed doing, so I did it. And I've just noticed there's another job I needed to do is the windscreen wiper. So I faffed around doing something they didn't need doing instead of focus on the things they did need doing, like the horn, which still isn't working, and I can't figure out why it's not working. It's not a fuse, it's not the horn. I'm hoping it's not the central white twirly thing in the centre of the steering wheel. There's technical term for that, yeah. What was it called? The clock thing in the centre of the steering wheel. And now I've just noticed for some reason the blade on the windscreen wiper isn't where it should be.
Maybe it's going to tell you can't.
What keeps it in place in the first place, do you think? Ah, there you go. Friction. There you go. Friction. I love that word, friction. There you go, another job fixed. Mighty DK fixed. I didn't actually. I took one mirror off, put the other one on, then took the old one off, new one off, put the old one back on again.
Fiddle with the window wiper.
And fiddle with the windscreen wiper, yeah.
Do you feel that you've fannied enough now?
I don't think that's an appropriate word, you know that?
I think that's an okay word.
Comment
That's not a swear word.
Anyway, Coastal Motorhomes, thank you for the part.
That's not right.
It is right, it's just
broken.
damaged.
What we think of you.
Which they responded within an hour of me telling them it's
Okay,
broken. I'm going to swap it out. And then we're going to fit the new one.
We withdraw abs at you.
Anyway.
Bye.
Coastal Motorhomes have done it again. Sent me a brand new one. Don't want the old one back. No hassle. No kind of send me pictures. No proving or anything like that. You know, that's a great service. So if you've got a Fiat, Talbot or anything like that, check out the Coastal Motorhomes. It's not a sponsored link. I've paid for it. It's just, you know, credit when credit's due. It's a great company, great service. So send me a new one. I'm not going to film fitting it. You've seen me fit it. Another one and taking another one off, so you know it's just 3 bolts, but I just thought I'd put a quick mention out for Coastal Motorhomes. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to fit the new one. That was a filler video if I've ever seen one, me changing a wing mirror, but just thought I'd keep you updated on the progress of the motorhome and Millie, and we'll be doing a lot more probably maintenance videos over the next couple of weeks. Because I've got a few jobs to do, like fitting a diesel heater, etc. So if you're interested in that, click subscribe, like, comment, all that kind of stuff that you know. Definitely like, and comment, make a comment. Fitting diesel heaters, if you fit a diesel heater in a motorhome, where would be a good place to put it? That'll be the next big job that I'm going to do on Millie. Catch you later, everyone. See you later. Bye.